Is your De4dot Project apps not working because of the De4dot Code module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we dive into the De4dot Code module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the De4dot Code module, the primary code analysis engine for the De4dot.NET Deobfuscator. It handles the low-level renaming and symbol resolution logic required to make compiled citing code readable. If missing, the deobfuscation tool will crash during the assembly scanning phase, citing a metadata resolution error. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If the host software cannot locate De4dot Code module DLL, it indicates a corruption in the De4dot Project subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including De4dot Code module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of De4dot Code module. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing De4dot Code module dependencies. To keep De4dot Code module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.